Hi, it's Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney, and today we have a seniors checklist room tour showing you here the beautiful lobby of Disney's Vero Beach Resort. So today we are going to be looking at, from the seniors checklist, having my hot little hand, room 2222, which is a preferred view or ocean view studio. Come on in and let's start with the checklist. So again, we will start with the safety items first. So first one up, grab bars, safety bars around the toilet, bathtub, shower. Well, they're all in here. So here is the bathroom. No grab bar for the toilet. No grab bar for the combination bathtub and shower. And again, those are not grab bars, those are towel holders. So I have to say no for that one. What's next? Walk-in shower? Well, nope. It is a combination tub and shower. Next, a true refrigerator. Again, we would have to say no for this one as well. Again, it's not the full height refrigerator, but I can tell you by placing my hand in there, this is more of a cooler. Again, you do have the adjustable for the coldness. So it depends on what you mean by a true refrigerator. So far, not looking so good. All right, number 4 on our checklist of the top 15 most commonly requested safety items by seniors from the Disney for Seniors Facebook group when they are staying at a Disney resort. And number 4 is electrical outlets, USB, USB-C, both sufficient number and that they're accessible, meaning easily reachable. Well, here are 2 pairs of electrical outlets, each with a pair of USB outlets on the dresser. So that works, but what else? Well, here's another set on the nightstand. There's no set on the invisible nightstand on this side. Here's another set over here by the pull-down Murphy bed of electrical outlets. So I would say let's give them a check mark for that. Room for 1 or 2 scooters inside. I would say definitely yes. And again, these are the top 15 safety-related items by seniors in the Disney for Seniors Facebook group when they are staying at a Disney resort. So yes, definitely has room for 2 scooters inside, and there's electrical outlet where they can be charged. All right, what's next in our checklist? Number 6, toilet height. And number 7, bed height. Here's the toilet, and I will insert how tall. You can picture my tape measure on that, how tall it is. Here's the toilet height, not overly tall. And then if we go to the bed, this one is on the tall side. And again, I'll insert the picture now, showing you how tall that is. And again, that's not a yes or no because everyone has their preference on the height of the bed, the height of the toilet. Number 8. Tub shower mats or non-slip grips on the floor of the shower or bathtub. Again, there is no separate shower. It is a combination shower and tub. And I can tell you that is a relatively non-grip surface. You can always ask, and we've done this both on the Disney cruise ship and on the resorts where we stay at Disney, ask them for a bath mat. They'll be most accommodating. All right, so what's next? Well, the top 15 safety items has bathroom nightlight. Do not see a bathroom nightlight, so we would just leave on the light inside the toilet, combination toilet and shower tub part of the bathroom. Number 10, elevators. Yes, there are elevators. Number 11, electrical outlet near bed for CPAP. Well, if you use a CPAP machine, you're going to have to sleep on this side of the bed because there is no nightstand on this side. And nor, let's see, any electrical outlets Nope. So you would have to sleep, unless you have a huge extension cord, have to sleep on this side of the bed. Next, number 12, nightstands on both sides of the bed. No, there are not. Just on the one side. Number 13, handheld shower heads. Let's go back to the bathroom. Just to show you that it is not a handheld, it is a fixed position shower head. Number 14, seat in the shower stall. Well, there's no shower stall, it's a combination shower and tub. And number 15, good lighting. Yes, I'd have to say this unit does have good lighting. Perhaps in the entrance, not so much, because there's no direct light here. But overall, good lighting. All right, those are the top 15 most commonly requested safety items by seniors in the Disney for Seniors Facebook group. Now let's start and review the top 15 convenience type items. Most requested by seniors and their accommodations staying at Disney. Okay, number 1, microwave, coffee maker, kettle. Microwave, check. Coffee maker, check. There is no separate kettle just to boil water. As many seniors requested. That was the number 1 item requested. That was convenience type by seniors. The second most commonly requested item was a refrigerator and microwave at counter level. Well, take that literally, no, this fails here. But if you're using, say, a scooter or wheelchair, that would probably be hard to reach, not the easiest. Refrigerator being on the floor should not necessarily be an issue unless, again, you use a wheelchair or a scooter and the scooter wheelchair might get in the way of the door opening. What's next? Toaster? Yes, there is. It's up here. Oh, wrong side. There it is. There's a toaster. You have to bring it down. And yes, electrical outlets to plug it in alongside the coffee maker. Next, bathtub. Well, we've seen that earlier. Let's just again show you one more time. Yes, there is a bathtub. It is right there. Next, makeup mirror. Yes, there is. There's the makeup mirror. Brighter lights in the bathroom. I wouldn't necessarily they're brighter than other parts of the unit, but they're pretty bright, although right here it's a little bit on the darkish side. I mean, not dark, but relatively speaking, not as bright at the toilet as it is at the shower. Next, extra towels. Well, it's Nancy and I, 2 of us, and for Disney standard, there are 2 bath towels. Next, free bottle of water. Nope, no free bottle of water. Pen and paper, as many seniors like to write notes or thank you notes. And well, there's no real drawers for me to open. I'll say nope. No paper and pen. All right, next, most commonly requested convenience items were, especially when you have a tall bed like this, is a step stool for high beds. In speaking with a Disney cast member, it is their policy at Walt Disney World not to provide guests with a step stool. Guests, of course, can bring their own or have one delivered from Amazon or whichever is your favorite online supplier. Here at the Disney Vero Beach Resort, I will put up on the screen, I'll ask them separately, to let you know if they do provide step stools. Number 11, at least 2 comfortable chairs. These are very nice, actually, these 2 chairs. And out in the balcony, 2 more chairs, typical balcony chairs. Number 12, separate table. There it is. Number 13, no pets. Disney typically has a no pet policy, although with selected resorts accepted. Again, I'll put up on the screen now what the policy here is at Disney's Vero Beach. Number 14, a touch lamp by the bed. Well, certainly not on this side. And over here, not a touch lamp because the bed lamps are there, but That was me. So it'll be the next best thing. Almost there. Next and last one, on-site breakfast, free or not. And yes, they have a wonderful restaurant here. One sit down, the main one, and then they have the nice lounge, the second floor, the floor we are on. So we'll give them yes for that, among others, of course. All right, so there you have it. Our review of the Ocean View Inn, INN, Inn View Studio. So there you have it. The 30 most commonly requested items in accommodation when seniors are at a Disney resort. Top 15 most commonly requested safety items and 15 most commonly requested convenience items. If you would like to get the full tour of this unit, a preferred or ocean view studio, an in room, INN, meaning it's inside the main building here at Disney's Vero Beach Resort. Here's the link for you to watch that. So you want to go ahead and click on that right now. Alternatively, here's another video for old adults and seniors from our Disney related travel channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks much for watching. We'll see you next time.